Hello, my crafty friends. I am here because I received a happy mail and I have no idea who it's from. I know that it's from Indiana, but that's all I know. So let's get into it and see what we've got. Okay, it looks like to me it is a swap and glue, but I'm not sure actually. Let's see if there's a note. I'm so excited. Yeah, it truly wouldn't be fully a swap and glue because look, there's fabric here. So let me see if I can find a note. This looks like it might be a note. Let's open this up. Nope, these are goodies. Hold on, let me look through here and see if I can find a little note. There's something really cute in that bag. All right, let me see here. Yeah, see, I think this is swap and glue. So with little extras tucked in. I'm gonna have to start tucking in extras, you guys. I haven't been doing that. And now I feel bad because I've just been sending scraps. You know, magazine images and things like that. Okay, you guys, I have not found one, but I don't want to go through everything and look for a note and then not be surprised and delighted when I share what I got. So let's start with this beautiful, this is like almost baby blue lacy fabric, and look how gorgeous it is. It's so pretty. And look at this. This is really cool. It looks very antique. That's really neat. And we have this cute envelope. I love it. Look at that paper. Wow. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Look at this image. That's stunning. Okay, that's definitely gonna be getting worked with here today. Oh, this is good too. Oh my gosh, this is too good. That's great. I love it. Okay. Oh, this is great. Great stuff. Ooh, I love this one too. Oh man, fun images. So good. Wow. Oh man, that's beautiful. Very nice. I like that. Oh, this is so dramatic. Look, you guys. How good is it, right? Oh man, these are great. That's fun. We'll go through this big stuff first and then we'll open that. These are just gorgeous blues. Wow. This is a nice creamy sheet. And this one looks like antique. That's really neat. As is this. Oh look, this is like a peacock here. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we have some Eiffel Towers. Look, they're gold. I love them. These are great. And then, oh my. And then we have, oh, now maybe this is a note. Let's see. It is not. This is so fun. Okay, these are just too fun. Look at this, guys. So these are pink, but they have like a script on them. And then like this is like a little stamp. So that's really, these are really cool. All right, now let's see what we have in our little envelope here. Oh, cute tags. So there's a couple of tags, nice cardstock, nice heavyweight. Oh, and then these are like banners. Look how cute, I don't have any banners. Ah, they're so cute. And then some nice little envelopes. Look at this gorgeous color envelope. All right, let's take, first of all, let's just look at the bag. I mean, how great is it, right? It's so great. That's totally fun to work with. And look, let's see what's in here. This is just great, and there's no note. I'm dying. Okay guys, look, a flamingo. How great is it? Oh, I have so many flamingo napkins now and I'm so happy. And then this one is, I can't remember, it's muertos, it ends with. Ooh, nice succulents. I like it. And it says, yeah, it's spiked. That's so cute. And then this very cool surfboard one. Very, very neat. Okay, so have fun. I'm gonna go grab my notebook so we can put a collage together. Friends, before we start our collage, I am not convinced that this is a hashtag swap and glue. And I say that because this says RAK, Random Act of Kindness. And then here it says, just for you, happy mail. And there's no note. I don't know who sent me this wonderful happy mail, but whoever you are, thank you. I appreciate it so much. But let's celebrate it and let's go ahead and do a collage. All right, my crafty friends, we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna fussy cut this image out. So we have this dock here, so let's have her at the end of the dock. Let's definitely do that. And then above that, let's see. I'm kind of loving this striking blue that we've got going on here. So we might play with that. Let's see what else. We also have, this could go almost all the way across the page. I kind of like these tones better though. Ooh, we also have this, which is really cool. Okay, so let's move this one out. I do have this that I can use the corners. We're just going to play with this layout for a minute and see what we can come up with, see what we like. Okay friends, as most of you know, I usually am happy to tear everything, but this particular project needs some straight cutting. So I am going to cut straight down the center and then probably take off a little of the ends just so it'll fit on the paper properly. I can cut that once it's on actually. I'll do that. That way I'll get a nice perfect line and I don't have to worry about it. So then it looks like all I'm gonna need, these are here, and these are here. I need something. I need blue to go here on these edges. And actually, this covers up some, but not all. So I just need like a little piece of blue. I could use the edge of this. You know, I could do that. Both sides have beautiful blue in them. Look, it's kind of like putting together a puzzle. Actually, I think I'm going to move this into the center a little bit more. That can go in a little closer. We're just laying it out just to see. We've got our corners. Okay, I like that. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to start gluing. And the first ones we're going to glue down will be these. Now, I would like this to have not a perfect straight edge, so we're going to go ahead and use some decorative scissors here right on the edge. Hopefully it'll cut that. There we go. It'll cut it. All right. Now, where's our main image that I love so much? There she is, okay. So she is right off the edge of the dock here. I didn't realize that these little corners up here were white. Let me fix them. Let me make them blue. Okay, and then these are already blue because, you know, the corners they just already were from this paper. There's our collage. Whoever sent me this random act of kindness with all these gorgeous goodies, I cannot thank you enough. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you soon.